So in this video, we are going to look into Python dictionaries. So dictionary is one of the data type that is available in Python. Okay. In dictionaries, the values are stored in a key value format. For example, name XYZ. Here name is the key and XAY is the value. In dictionaries, we use names to identify the values. We'll look into it later in the video. Dictionaries are considered to be mutable, right? What is mutable? Mutable is basically a data type that we can update in place after it has been created. In simple language, it means once even after we have created dictionaries, we can update it and it won't create a new instance of a dictionary. Now in Python, there are multiple ways to create the dictionaries. So we'll look into them. So the first way is by making use of curly braces like this. So here I'll give the key as say Nepal and the value as anything, Kathmandu. Though we can have multiple key value pairs separated by a comma. India, Delhi. Okay, we'll print and see what values it gives. So here we get the values. Another way to create a dictionary is via using the dict function. So let's look into that as well. So with dict function, it's like dict array. The first value would be considered as a key and the comma separated value would be the value in the key value pair. We can have multiple such key value pairs here. Now let's try and print this and see what output we get. So here we have Nepal, Kathmandu. So this was from a previous try that I tried, and these are the current values that we are getting. So now that we have created dictionaries, let's try to get the values from these dictionaries. So but prior to that, let's have some headers here. So like there are multiple ways to create a dictionary. There are a couple of ways to get the data from the dictionaries as well. So we'll start with a simple method. Wherein we would be using the key as an identifier to get the value. So for example, let's see, print the values, capital. Now I want to get what is this capital of Nepal, right? So I can just print it here, the key in this as Nepal. I got the value as Kathmandu. Okay. The other way to get this value is via the get function. Capital.get. This time we'll try India. I got the value as Delhi. So now there is a slight advantage if I try to find access the values with the get function. So consider a scenario wherein like I try to access a key that is not present. In this scenario, it gave me null. Right? Now try the same thing for accessing the values using here. See? So the difference is with dot get function, if the key is not present in the dictionary, a code doesn't break. It just returns as a none value. But in this approach, if the key is not present in the dictionary, a code breaks. Right? For time being, let's revert those changes. And in the next video, we'll try and understand how to update these values and how to iterate over the list using the various methods that would be available. Thank you.